Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all well. If you're new here, my name is Makai. I create beauty, fashion and lifestyle content online. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. And if you are a member of the family, welcome back. Today I'm really excited to be showing you guys the new IRL Filter Foundation by Makeup Revolution. We will be using this foundation to create this clean girl beauty look that has been so popular on TikTok, on Instagram, everywhere. So stay tuned if you want to see exactly how to get this amazing makeup look. So Revolution is encouraging everyone to love themselves, drop the filter and live in real life. It's so important to feel comfortable and confident in the makeup that you wear, in your own skin and with the products that you use. It's really important to nurture a healthy relationship between doing your glam, feeling yourself and feeling the best that you can in all stages of the makeup process and within yourself. So let's get into the video to find out how I created this really beautiful soft look that embraces my natural features using the IRL Filter Foundation from Makeup Revolution. I've got my primer on, I'm looking super smooth. I'm using the Poreless Putty Primer from Makeup Revolution. My shade in the IRL Filter Foundation is 12.5. This is perfect for winter, so this is the shade that I will be using today. When it's warmer weather, of course, we will get a beautiful tan, and I tend to go for F13 in the summer warmer months, which are coming up. Thank you. I like to apply product with my fingers, so I'm just gonna start off with one pump. Just like so. I'm looking in my mirror and I'm just applying this all over my face. So this foundation is long wearing, it's a soft matte finish and it's vegan and cruelty free, which I think is super important in a lot of the products that we decide to use nowadays. And you guys can see that it does have medium to full coverage. My hyperpigmentation has been covered up with just one pump of product. And I tend to use a brush in my day-to-day like foundation application. This foundation literally looks like I've got a skin filter on, but it isn't, it's just my skin. So I really love that this product has the ability to give you even more confidence than you would have within, and to just enhance your inner beauty and make you feel super comfortable, which is what we want when we use makeup. Like, you don't want to wear products that make you feel like you're hiding yourself or you're not being your true self. This foundation is available in 30 shades, which I'm really happy with because it means that a lot of people will be able to find their shades. And if you're like me, where you tend to go for one shade in winter and one shade in summer, you will be able to find both shades, which works really well. So now I've finished blending in the product. You guys can see the finish of the foundation. So it is a soft matte finish, medium coverage, but you still get that sort of in real life filter flawless vibe. And this is 16-hour long wearing, so you don't really need to touch up. Blending that out with the Makeup Revolution blending sponge. I'm then going in with the Fast Base blush, and this is in the shade Peach, and across my cheeks, just to bring some continuity to my makeup. To set my face, I'm going to go in with the Banana Baking Powder, and I won't be using this to bake today, but rather a very light layer just to set my under eye. To add some colour back into my face and to contour and bronze, I'm going to go in with the Contour Compact in medium. And then for blush, I'm going to take the blush palette in Golden Soul. I use the soap styler to get these really cool soap brows. And now we're gonna do my eyes. I'm actually going to use the same blush palette to do my eyeshadow. And I'm doing something super simple today. So I'm gonna actually go in with the light brown color first and just put that over my lids. And then I'm gonna go in with the orange shade and just brush that over my lids. I'm going to go in with this top shade and just take it on the tip of my nose and down my nose bridge. For my lips, I'm going in with the Satin Kiss lip liner in the shade Thank God It's Friday. I'm going to fill in my lips with the Pout Bomb in the shade Kiss. Here is my finished look. Super warm, super fun, really beautiful and perfect for spring. And all using the IRL Filter Foundation, and I'm in the shade 12.5. I'm so happy with how this look came out. I think it's fresh, I think it's fun, and I love that I've basically told a color story. So if you enjoyed this makeup look, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and make sure to check out all the links in the description box to find out where you can pick up this IRL No Filter Foundation from Makeup Revolution. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much to Makeup Revolution for sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite part was and what you think of the foundation below. I'll see you in the next one. Love you long time. Bye bye.